I want to set the scene for the deputies who brought the motion this evening, and I do thank them for bringing it. It is important to get clarity on things. GAEC2 is important for farmers right across the country, but perhaps most important for farmers in my own county, as well as counties along the western seaboard in particular. I come from the West Coast, and I come from some of the most beautiful and rich peat soils anywhere in the country. I'm the son of farmers from the hills and lowland, son of a farmer from the hills and lowland of Donegal. I grew up near the North Donegal coast in Carndona, and we've had sucklers and sheep on some of the more challenging and beautiful lands where we keep sucklers and sheep on some of the more challenging lands in the country. The sucklers and sheep, indeed, Cian Corla, and these lands played no small part in raising me and the rest of my family. And I feel extremely lucky and privileged to have been able to farm these lands in my own right before coming into politics. I find it disingenuous that either I, or as Minister, or the Department would stand idly by and allow such a crucial cohort of farmers to be excluded from CAP. Both I as Minister and the rest of the Government are absolutely, unashamedly committed to the hill and the upland farmer. Farmers on these lands are hugely important. They play a key role in managing the upkeep of these hills. They produce top-quality stock that is central to our $14 billion export sector. They help drive a regional and balanced economy. All of these are crucial to me as Minister and to the entire Government. I believe in the long and sustainable practice of hill farming. Along with the rest of the Government, we stand by our hill farmers, as we stand by, indeed, our lowland farmers.